Welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how you can do slow motion on your videos on TikTok in 2023. This tutorial will be step by step, so make sure you follow it carefully. First of all, we open TikTok app and go down to center plus button to make brand new video. For example, here I will record my desktop screen. You get options on the right side of screen and you must click on speed. Now you have option to go 0.3, 0.5, 1, 2 or 3x of originally recorded video. You pick 0.3 or 0.5 for slow motion, and for example I picked 0.3 here. Second example is when you record here with 1x and after you finish recording you take a look at the right side options and pick effects. You will scroll aside till you find speed and you go there picking slow motion. And it's done. I showed you two alternative ways to do slow motion on your videos. I hope you enjoyed in this tutorial, and if you did, make sure you leave a like and hit subscribe button for more tutorials.